In this garden lesson, we experiment with regrowing produce. In this activity, we will use the leftover parts of vegetables to grow new plants. There are two ways to conduct this experiment. One is using water, and the other is using soil. The materials you will need for this lesson are an old pan or tray that you don't mind getting dirty, and something like an old towel to put underneath. A clear container like this one. It is more important that it is wide than it is tall. Leftover parts from vegetables. This picture shows a variety of leftover parts from vegetables being regrown. Part 1. Water. I am going to fill my container with a very little bit of water, just about a 1/4 inch. I am going to use the core from a head of lettuce for the water part of my experiment. First, I need to cut off the top part of the core so that I have a nice cut edge on top. Then I place the newly cut core in the container with water with the cut side up and place it by a sunny windowsill. Part 2. Soil. For Part 2 of the lesson, you will need the following materials. A carton like this from juice or milk, or a 2-liter soda bottle will work. You will cut the carton or bottle in half, and you will need a paper towel or a napkin to put inside. You will need soil for this experiment. You can use soil purchased from a store, soil from your backyard, or soil you might have left in a pot from last year. Wherever you get your soil, you may need to stir it up with your shovel or trowel and add some water to moisten the soil. You can dump the soil on your tray and crumble it between your fingers. Now, you will moisten your paper towel or napkin and place it in the top half of your carton or soda bottle. Now you can add soil to the top part of the carton using your little shovel or trowel. Add soil to the top of the container until it is 3/4 of the way full. I am using garlic. The garlic clove on the right already is sprouting, but it doesn't look so good. The garlic clove on the left is much newer, but I'm not sure it's ready to sprout. I chose the garlic clove with the sprout, and when I pulled off the outside skin, it looked much healthier. On the bottom of the clove, I can already see little roots coming out. And on the top of the clove is the sprout. Make sure that no matter what vegetable you use, the root side is in the soil and the sprouting side is facing up like this garlic clove. If you are planting a bulb like onion or garlic, you will cover the bulb with dirt. If you are planting celery or lettuce, put the bottom in the dirt with the cut side up and do not cover it like the photo on top. If you are using carrots, cut the top off of the carrot and put the cut side down, as shown in the photo on the top left. Now, place the top of the carton inside the bottom of the carton, like this. Pour a cup of water through the soil. Do not worry that it is too much, as you see it passes into the bottom part of the carton. This will help to keep your soil moist longer. Place by a sunny windowsill. You'll see here, there is my lettuce core in water. This one is my garlic, and dirt. And just for fun, I put a baby carrot on a wet napkin in a sandwich baggie just to see if it would grow. Now I will watch my experiment to see if anything grows down or up or maybe sprouts.